Yeah, I'm not even shutting the car off this time. It's too freaking hot. See, the tide's coming in. Almost all the way in. All right, bub. Yeah, the barn swallows that nest on our porch, their nest fell down, and they had an egg in there that shattered. So that's a shame. I always like hearing them in the morning chirping, after the babies hatch and whatever. But maybe they'll decide to rebuild. I've seen them do it before. We'll see. It's not really a great spot for them. Last year, snake got all their eggs one by one. Every time I go out there and check on them, there'd be one fewer. I assume it was a snake. I didn't see them do it, but there's big rat snakes around here. Yeah, that's about it.